The question is, why Wright State? And the answer is, we do amazing things. I'm Travis Doom. I'm an associate professor of computer science and engineering and the director of undergraduate programs for computer science and engineering. The lecture is no longer the primary means of education. There's reading assignments, there's YouTube videos, both by the professor or by other leading researchers in the field. Really, when we get together in the classroom, the goal is no longer to see the material for the first time, but to exercise material, to learn what is useful in that material, to exercise critical thinking, and to get hands-on experience using it. We have world-class research programs that rate in some areas with MIT, Stanford, even Yahoo and Microsoft laboratories. The opportunities for undergraduates are basically the same as they are for graduate students. In fact, my research lab consists of, at any given time, about 50% undergraduate students. The undergraduate students work both with me and the other faculty in the research group and with the more senior graduate students. So again, we have this system where students learn primarily from each other under the direction of a faculty member. The faculty are mentors, we're advisors. We have the ideas perhaps in some cases, or in some cases we simply vet excellent ideas from the students against national standards. At Wright State University, we're a smaller school with a bigger research program, with a bigger faculty, with a more experienced and world-renowned faculty. And the price that you pay is the price of a smaller school, but the value that you get is the value of a larger institution.